Hello, good evening. My name is Sahil Superhuman, and right now I'm sitting in my car and I'm just making this video because there is something which has been troubling me from past so many days, and I wanted to talk about this. There is so much things been going on, and I just don't wanted to talk about because these particular what you call these particular topics are very serious and very really touchy and personal, to be very honest. So today why I have decided, because the same thing I am going through in my life, as I can understand where these people have been going, what is the situation between these people. So what has happened is that uh, I'm talking about this video is basically about mental health, personal issues, problems, depression, all these things which I've been going through a lot these days because of COVID-19. I'm jobless, and situations are very bad, and what I've understand, that this word, especially this word depression, anxiety, and these all things are basically the things which is being you know which has been feeded to your mind every day when you hear about these things, and then later on these things comes in your mind, and then you just get into that place where you decide that maybe I should do it. I'm not. My life is not worth, or my life is screwed. I can't do anything. Situations are bad. As I've seen in Bollywood, Sushant Singh Rajput has passed away, and he did suicide, and then another girl. From TikTok, 16 years old, she did suicide, and then some days before, a television actor decided to do suicide. And why I'm talking about this is because I just want to know why media has been, you know, putting, feeding these things to the mind of people. You can understand, you need to have people around you. You need to have people who care for you, who love you, so that you don't have these problems. You don't have these issues. You need somebody near you. You need some people, your family. So what I want to say is that these mental health issues, this anxiety, this depression has been feeded in our minds by the media. And what we are supposed to do is we have to fight it out of our ways, because everybody has their own social issues, their own personal issues, their own family issues. Everything is so screwed up at this point of time that we have to support ourselves, because these things cannot help us or cannot help me, because I personally have mental issues. I have been seeing doctor for depression and anxiety, and then I couldn't find myself coming out of it until and unless my mother comes to me, or my father comes to me, or my family or my friend comes to me and try to calm me down with the situation. So what I want to say is that everybody over here, and me, as a son, only son in the home, I have been treated very well all my life, but I have professional issues. I have I have been through a lot, loss. I've lost my company. I've lost so many things, and then all about that, I have love. I mean, the breakup, the love thing, and everything came all away, all around at once, and then in this certain situation, I got divorced, and all these things came along at one point that I just in my mind I decided I just wanted to end this, and then all of a sudden this Sushant Singh Rajput situation happened, and may God rest him in peace. May his family, may God give them strength and power to come over this situation. And then then all of a sudden I saw his family, and I saw everything happening around, and this situation helped me, coming over to myself, and then my family, and then my couple of friends. I spoke to them. I still in my mind sometimes, I got these things, but now I have control over it, and I wish everybody who is going through this situation, please help yourself, because your family needs you. The people who love you, they need you. The people who are around you, they need you. Ending yourself will never bring us anything at all in our lives, because one day everybody has to go, but we have to wait until the time comes and God decides to take us away from this world. But we are not supposed to do it, because we are going to hurt a lot of people. We are going to waste the life, the gift which God has given us. And I just want everybody to just think about the person who loves them a lot once before doing anything like this. Just once, simple, for a second before doing anything wrong. Just think that there is someone who really loves you, who cares about you. You are responsible for some people. A 16-year-old, what has made her do that? The situation, I really concerned for everybody, and I want everybody to take care of themselves, and just once before doing anything like this, just once think about the people who you love, who love you. Thank you so much. Please write your comments, talk to me. I'm always there with everyone, and anything I can do, is I'm always there to everyone. Please help me and help yourself, and take care of yourself. God bless us all, and I will try my maximum to do a video every day. Thank you.